Welcome. Let us pray. Oh God, we thank you for this wonderful day. For this is the day that you have made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. We thank you for your presence with us. We pray for the students gathered here today, their families, their friends and loved ones. And we ask, God, that you would bless them on their journey, that you encourage them with love, strength, and patience and endurance. Bless their families and the faculty and staff, and especially our leaders, Dean Faulkner and our president, Dr. Hildreth. Give them the guidance to provide support, learning, and encouragement to these students. And those times when they begin to question their journey and their faith weakens, may they feel your arms carrying them through to make it to the finish line. Because, oh God, you did not bring them this far to leave them. Let the white coat be a reminder of your protection around them and the gift of healing that you have given each and every one of them. And let them never forget that with God, all things are possible. We ask these things and other blessings in your name. Amen.
Good morning. I'm James Hildreth. I'm proud to be the 12th president of Meharry Medical College. And to the family, friends, and relatives of the students, welcome to the campus. We're as excited and proud as you are of these amazing young people. And this is the first day of an amazing journey they're about to undertake over the next 4 years. And we're here to enable their success, but to the students, as this has been for your whole life, this is all driven by you. We're here to help you, to motivate you, to help you be successful, but it all starts with you. We're proud that you've come to a place whose legacy is to care for those who otherwise sometimes would have nowhere else to go. That is our mission. We embrace it fully. We're energized by it, and we're so proud that over half of our students who leave us do primary care and serve in places that are underserved. And it is the way that we have a profound impact on the community and indeed the world. Over these next 4 years, you're going to be challenged in ways that you probably have not yet imagined. But you have judged to be capable of meeting those challenges, and we're going to be here to help you get through. And you're going to be entering into a profession that is profoundly rewarding, and you have the ability to shape lives in many different ways you can't possibly understand. One of the things that you also should realize is that for many of you, the number of persons who look like you in the profession is vanishingly small in some of your areas. And so the impact you can have will be amplified for that reason alone. So I congratulate you on all of your success to this point. We are proud to have you here in the Meharry family, and we are a family. We sustain each other, we look after each other, and we help each other. And I hope you'll embrace that idea with your classmates. You're going to be making friends for life. In fact, some of you might meet your booze for life. And that's not a small thing. So work hard, but remember to take care of yourselves and have a bit of fun, because it's about the journey. It's really not about the destination. And so congratulations and welcome. And we look forward to being with you for the next 4 years. So thank you very much.
I'm always the shortest, so I have to adjust everything when I get up. Good morning. Good noon, everyone. No, good morning, everyone. We would like to celebrate today as we begin your journey towards becoming a physician. The white coat is a symbol that helps students identify with one of the many characteristics of being a physician. According to the American Medical Student Association, physicians began wearing white coats in 1889, a long time ago. White coats were meant to symbolize professionalism, purity of intent, and seriousness of purpose. So today we ask, that you think about the intent of the white coat as you take the oath of commitment that articulates your responsibilities to your patients as a student physician. Those who see you wearing a white coat in the professional setting will have high expectations of you. They will expect you to be professional, have integrity, be trustworthy, be discreet, and provide quality care. As a physician student, you will learn how to balance excellence in science with compassionate patient care. The road ahead will not be easy, but the individuals who place the white coat on your shoulders today believe in you and will help you along the way. So today, on behalf of the School of Medicine, faculty, and staff, I welcome you as you enter into the passage to becoming a physician. Now, let me introduce our speaker for today. Dr. Faustina is a proud graduate of Meharry Medical College, which is part of a long tradition in her family. She completed a general surgery internship at Washington Hospital Center in Washington, D.C., followed by an ophthalmology residency at the State University of New York. She completed a fellowship in ophthalmology, plastics, and reconstructive surgery, and at the world-renowned University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, she also did training. She is board certified by the American Board of Ophthalmology and the American Board of Physician Specialists. She is also a fellow in the American College of Surgeons and the American Academy of Ophthalmology. Dr. Faustina's clinical practice has been focused on cancers, traumas, and cosmetic surgeries of the eye. Dr. Faustina has maintained strong ties with Meharry and returned to be on faculty here at her alma mater. Without further delay, let me welcome Dr. Faustina to the podium.
Good morning, Meharry family. What a welcoming morning it is. We have a new class before us for the School of Medicine. It's not a small thing that you are here. There is strength and substance that got you here. Meharry Medical College is hallowed ground. Generations of brilliant providers have studied and discovered here. You are now in that family. Please do not allow the significance of this next commitment to overwhelm you. Let it inspire you. This is only a window of time. Your time here at Meharry will only be a small window relative to the work that you will do. To grasp what is expected of you requires total immersion. 25 years ago, I was on the wait list, calling Miss Davis twice a day. She's right over there at the door. I arrived in Nashville with 7 nylon duffel bags, and I slept on my friend's couch for 2 weeks until there was a room available in Dorothy Brown Hall. And eventually I got an apartment in the Towers where I stayed through my matriculation. I remember being so excited when I got here. I always wanted to go to Meharry. There is tremendous volume of material that you are being presented with. I'm sure I wasted a lot of time trying to figure out what was important and what wasn't. I remember thinking we could not possibly be expected to know all of this. I hate to be the one to tell you, we are. Please try to just focus on each task at hand. I'm a proud alumni of Meharry Medical College. After practicing in my subspecialty, I have now returned as full-time faculty. I'm seeing this from both sides. And I have to say, the integration of the curriculum is much better. We are layering what you need. As we say in surgery, each step dictates the next step. So it is important to relax and focus on each small task so that the next task can be successful. Depending on the fields you choose, this may be the only time you will have the opportunity to study and understand the base of knowledge that is required to answer the call, is there a doctor in the house? For most of you, this will be the only time you dissect a human body head to toe. And yet your knowledge of human anatomy is the foundation of your practice of medicine. Work closely with Dr. Jackson and his team. The man can recite GGNO cover to cover and make it sound like a ballet. Later this semester, you're going to hear Dr. Atta's lecture on homeostasis. That will lay the foundation for you to understand acid-base imbalance you get in internal medicine. Dr. Faulkner, do you still give that lecture? I hope you trained whoever it is well, because thanks to you, I still remember the body's normogram. And acute and chronic respiratory and metabolic acidosis and alkalosis. And the combinations. Without correction, proteins are denatured and digested, enzymes lose their ability to function, and even death can occur. In my basic eye exam lecture later this year, we cover diabetic retinopathy. If you learn what happens histologically with basement membrane thickening and pericyte dropout, you will understand all of the proliferative microvascular changes that affect your diabetic patients. Whether you are a family medicine doctor adjusting their hypoglycemic control, a retina specialist offering ocular injections or laser, or a vascular surgeon facing the decision of bypass surgery to save a limb. Is there a doctor on the plane? Some of us have experienced that. I got 2 in one flight. Your OB clerkship may be the only time you are guided through the delivery of a baby with an upperclassman, a resident, and an attending right there to help you if you need it. Please learn what you need to know, especially if you are not going into OB. Is there a doctor on board? In your surgery clerkship or sooner, you will complete pre-hospital trauma and life support training. Don't miss it. This may be the only time you serve in a psychiatric ward. And trust, you will lean on that training. This may be your only experience manning the emergency room, and yet you must respond. Is there a doctor present, regardless of your specialty? So I implore you to be as engaged in the rotations that you do not choose as your future area of expertise. When you leave here, you are a medical doctor prepared for most anything. After you leave here, you will spend concentrated time studying only your chosen field. You're not likely to ever get this global training again. The courses and rotations are concentrated and will call upon that strength and substance that got you here. Please have faith in the process. Immerse yourself in the steps methodically. We believe in you. We, as the Meharry family, want to give you the layers that you will draw upon, and we want to give you the support that you will need to go forth into the world and do great things, and most importantly, help others. We, as your attendings and professors, have an awesome responsibility to guide you through. We walk the same hallways as Matthew Walker. I teach the same basic eye exam as Axel Hansen. We have the responsibility to carry and continue to lift the standard that makes our history distinguished. It's vital that we remind ourselves of the collegial demeanor and academic expectations to which we have been charged. We are charged to teach the secrets of medicine to the next generation, and we are committed to introduce and reinforce during your matriculation the tools that will aid in your success. That's our part. Your part is to apply the personal diligence, immerse yourself in the work, and excel. Don't abandon what got you here. We believe in you. Everyone here can and will be successful. Trust yourself, trust the process, maintain your discipline, and honor your craft.
Well, that was a fantastic speech. Now you know how old I am. I taught her. Next, I will introduce the white coat presenters. And they will come up as they usually do. Dr. Samuel Adanye. Dr. Shahid Ali. Dr. Emmanuel Atta. Dr. Billy Ballard. Dr. William Bates. Dr. Exlena Bean. Dr. Monique Beneman. Dr. George Bro. Dr. Clevell Charlton. Dr. Mark Faulkner, that's me. So, Dr. Misha Fastina. I couldn't see that little marker. Dr. Digna Forbes. Our esteemed president, Dr. James Hildren. Dr. Arthur Jackson. Dr. Christopher Kiefer. Dr. Gwinnett Ladson. Dr. Chike Nezre. Dr. Diadeli Osha. Dr. Suzanne Tropez Sims. Dr. Fernando Vialta. Dr. Leonard Webster. Dr. Robin Kimbrough. Okay, now I'll turn it over to Dr. Beneman, who will do the presentation of the white coats.
Morning, everybody. Today is just a small step in your journey of becoming a physician. So let's remember what the white coat stands for to you, the physician. The highest ethical standards, integrity, professionalism, and the acquisition of medical knowledge. And to your patients, what it means is, first, do no harm, and you're their advocate. But let's be honest, today is really about y'all looking good in your white coat in front of family and friends. So, the first 18 students of the class of 2019, please stand. Ebenezer Abraham, Willie Agee, Oluwabamishi Akiwanyu, Duran Aldridge, Nicholas Alexander, Gunika Anamege, Angel Anderson, Jerome S. Arsenault, Theophania Ashley, Samir Asker, Nicole Azuagu, Leticia Badio, Peter Bamicoli, Alnisha Banks, Alexis Barajas Terrones, Janae Bardell, Julia Black, Castro Bonnie, Mina Botros, Professors, you may now cloak your students. Philip Branch, Joshua Bridges, Shaquille Brown, John David Bruce, Jabari Burks, Alexandra Burnett, Amanda Carter, Lisa Carter, Anne Charlo, Mariah Chavez, Carlos Christostone, Christina Clinton, Shalika Cornelius, Teklu Dawit, Christelle Dahl, Janakaro Essen, Chika Esochai, Luther Fleury, Miriam Fofana. Professors, you may now cloak your students. Naila Gallego. Stephanie Garrison. David Garza. Andrew Galley. Herbert Giles. Keone Hiley. Ian Howe. Kendra Harris. Venetia Harris. Cartimus Airy. Gabriella Heslop. Bianca Hill. Destiny Howard. Oyenwin Joy Ine. Dennis James. William Johnson. Dale Keller. Mercy Kunchela. Vida Laudagi. Guni Leke Tambo. Professors, you may now cloak your students. Guni Leka Tambo. Perry Leonard. Jade Lewis. Alexander Lopez. Quentin Lloyd. Kalinda Matthews Harris. Daniel McHale. Ashmit Mittal. Jersey Napoleon. Natasha Nazari. Victor Na. Maria Goretti Ochi. Nandozie Okorafa. Simbiat Olayiwola. Michael Oluwale. Ekemini Orak. Isaac Osei. Shayla Shay Palmer. Maria Parker. Brenda E. Palayo. Professors, you may now cloak your students. Erica Palat. Tiffany Pleasant. Kevin L. Pollard II. Ramses. Jacqueline Reed. Jonathan Richard. Christopher Salazar Fields. Zachary Sensing. Jared Smith. Mia Smith. Wes Smoot. Mary Solomon. James Stewart. Sarah Tesfaxion. Shant Tomasian. Janice Thompson. Shamari Thompson. Jyotsna Thota. Patricia Timi. Professors, you may now cloak your students. Hillary Toole. James Terrain. Danielle Turnquest. Jeremiah Umo. Javar Van Buren. Morgan Weber. Anthony Wilbert. Justin Williams. Mahesh Yarlagada. Professors, you may now cloak your students. The presenters can now be seated. Will the class of 2019 please stand so we can read the oath of commitment in unison? It's found in your booklets. As I begin my career as a student physician here at Meharry Medical College, I make this commitment I will accept nothing other than the full pursuit of excellence for myself in this chosen career. Hold inviolate the trust and confidence that patients extend to me as a student physician. Treat all those who seek my help with humanism and compassion. Offer to my fellow students any help or assistance that is within my power to give, should they require it, and extend to them the same respect and trust that I wish to be shown to me. Conduct my personal and professional life with total integrity. Enter into a mutual relationship of trust and respect with those who teach me, recognizing that their aspirations for me are inevitably greater than those I have for myself. Continue the pursuit of new knowledge throughout the whole of my life, if I am to be among the best in my profession.
Well, as we come to a close, I think I'm not the shortest person. Dr. Faustina stood on my stool more than I did. So I was happy to see that. We'd like to thank everyone who came out, all the support for the students, the families, the friends, spouses, everyone who came out, the mothers, the fathers who helped cloak their child or children. We'd like to thank you all for coming out as well. Now, students, you have your white coats. Now, they're going to be dingy in a couple of months. We want you to wash them. Okay? And if you see anybody else with a dingy coat, ask them to do the same thing. So, good luck to you. I know that you will have exciting time on the wards. I know that you'll be proud of your white coats and you'll wear them proudly for Meharry Medical College. Now, as we close, students, you're going to march out to take a picture. And the platform guests, we're going to take a picture with you. So if everybody will remain seated till the students are marched out, we'd appreciate that. Thank you very much. Oh, I forgot to tell you, we are having a reception in the West Basic Science Center after, Cal Turner Center, in Cal Turner. I don't want to send anybody to West Basic Science. I don't want to eat all the food myself. And Cal Turner Center right after. Okay, thank you.